Meet the man who turned chess into the art, the youngest world champion in history, a genius who saw moves beyond brilliant, and the master who stunned Kasparov in just 17 moves. A true magician of the chessboard, Mikhail. Let's dive into the life and game of this legendary player. Wait. Did you just say he defeated Kasparov in 17 moves? Yeah, that's absolutely right. So, let me show you how. Mikhail playing as white, and the Kasparov as black. That's a king's pawn against Sicilian defense. Interesting. Check. And he blocks it. Attacks the center. Okay. Castle. Push back the bishop. He takes. He recaptures with knight. Tile attacks the queen. He runs. Develops the rook directly facing the king. Tile pushes a pawn, kicking the knight. While he counterplays with pushing his bishop. What happened in game is that after 5 moves, Kasparov resigned. Don't worry, I will reveal it later. But for now, let me show you why he was known as Magician from Riga. But winning starts with the English opening, and Tal responds with Anglo-Indian defense. Black takes control of the center with d6, aiming to bring the knight into play and attacks with e-pawn. Tal completes his plan. The queen develops, putting the pressure on the d-pawn, so white advances. After some pawn exchange, the knight jumps to the center. Tal places the rook on the open file. The rook is brought to the center. Oh, Tal creates a battery. What would you play in this position? Anyway, here it comes. Mikhail Tal sacrifices a knight. Oh my god. After some exchanges, Tal captures an undefended b-pawn. But Finik attacks the queen. But Tal responds with the move f3, sacrificing the queen. But Finik captures the queen, and Tal makes the passed pawn. Oh. Black attacks the bishop, forcing it to block with a pawn. Okay, Black gives a check with a dark bishop, and king runs. The bishop attacks the rook. It becomes clear who is attacker and who is defender, right? But Finik plays knight e2 with a fork. hard situation. What did you think? What does Tal do? The legend plays Rook c1, setting up a triple fork. What? Are you crazy? But Winnick is happy and captures the free rook, and Tal checks with his dark bishop. But Winnick blocks it, and there's a little to do. But Winnick resigns because the tile creates a passed pawn, it's unstoppable, and also he is unbeatable.
Mikhail, known as the Magician from Riga, was born on November 9, 1936, in Latvia. He learned to play chess at the age of 8 and quickly amazed everyone with his bold and creative moves. Even as a child, it was clear he was something special. In 1960, at just 23 years old, Tal became the youngest world chess champion by defeating Mikhail Botvinnik. His exciting style, full of daring sacrifices, made him one of the most loved players in chess history. Tal struggled with chronic kidney issues and other serious health problems throughout.
Mikhail Tal takes a knight, and Kasparov takes a bishop. Mikhail Tal takes a pawn, and Kasparov recaptures with his bishop. And there, Mikhail Tal sacrifices a knight! He gives it away. The idea is, if he takes back, he will give a check with his rook. But Kasparov is also crazy. He takes, and he recaptures, giving a check. King runs, and Mikhail Tal brings his queen. And Kasparov resigned. Tal was a genius in finding resources in complex positions. He saw a board differently, almost poetically. Anatoly Karpov. There are only two types of sacrifices, correct ones and mine, Mikhail Tal. Enjoy my video, fingers up, and I will make you happy with more videos like this. That was the end of the video, but the legend of chess continues. See you in the next one. Bye!